Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Life with Mohsin. And today we are going to discuss a very famous Facebook interview question that has been asked for software engineering role. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. So the question is, we have given a list of words and we are trying to achieve whether the given list is sorted or not. Here is the catch. We are also given information where we are seeing a list of characters, the order that particular dictionary follows. That's why it is known as alien dictionary because it is not the simple English dictionary that we follow in regular life. Let's take an example. What we are saying here is we have two words, hello and lead code, and we have one information called order, which represents the sequence of characters, the order which this dictionary follows. So if we see here, the word hello has the first character H and the lead code has the first character L. Now if we compare, then H comes before L as per this order. So I can say that these words are in sorted order. Similarly, we have to come up with an approach where the user can give any number of words and any kind of order of the characters, and we have to check whether the words are sorted or not. Now, how to solve this problem? Here's one simple tip that I want to give you guys, that before starting coding, you should always write down your algorithm. It will help you to write a bug-free code. Now let's get started. So here, what I have done is I have created a hash map. Now, why did I create a hash map? It is also a very good understanding of you to solve a problem is you should always ask a question to yourself, why am I doing this? When you start asking these questions, you yourself get very confident that if I'm writing a piece of code, there is a reason behind it. There is no over engineering. So if you see here, I have created a hash map because I know when I'm trying to compare two words where each and every character, I need to know which character comes first in a dictionary. And hash map is a very good place for the lookup where I can have a key value pair and easy to look for. Now what I have done is I have created a counter and I have stored those characters with a counter value. Now what counter role is here? So the counter role is when I ask for what is the priority of this character, it will give me an integer value. And that integer value I can use to ensure whether it's a high priority character or a low priority character from which I am comparing. So let's say in English alphabet, when we say that B comes later than A, it's because we know that A is a number one character and B is number two. Similarly, in that case, I have stored those orders. Now what I'm doing is I'm iterating through a for loop where I'm comparing each adjacent words. Now why each adjacent? Where will it achieve our purpose or not? So let's take a look. The first thought that comes into mind is if the string is or the words of list is sorted or not. So I'll take a word and I'll compare all the other words that I have in this list. This is one approach. How can we drill down and cut off which is not required? So let's say when I'm comparing the words, if I know that n minus 1 and n minus 2 words that I have compared both are in sorted order, then when I'm comparing n minus 1 and n, do I need to compare the nth word with n minus 2? Actually not. Because if n minus 2 and n minus 1 were sorted, it means n minus 1 is a greater word in the dictionary. So if n is not sorted with n minus 1, then I don't need to even compare with n minus 2 or vice versa. That's why we are only comparing the adjacent words. Now I have taken two words with the index I and I plus 1. Then I am iterating with the minimum length of these two words. Why so? Because if we are comparing two words and one of the word is a smaller length, then I know that there's nothing to compare if I exhaust that particular minimum length word. That's why we have taken the minimum of these two length. Now I have taken the characters of first and second word. Now I'm comparing those characters, that whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, I need to go and check for the other characters. If they are not, then I can go and check what is the order of these characters. If the order of first word's character is greater than the second word's character, it means they are not sorted, and I can simply return false. But if that is not the case, that means I have found the first character in the first word where it is in sorted order. So I don't need to even compare rest of the words because the word is always going to be sorted. So I'll just continue and compare the other words. Now, in the end, let's say I complete this for loop, and somehow if the all the characters in these two words matches, it means I need to go and check, is there any extra character with the first word that I have taken? Because if that's the case, it means they are not sorted. So I can just simply return false. And once I compare all the list, then I can say that there was no condition where I had to return false. It means this list is given sorted. So I can simply return true. Now let's try to run this problem. Okay, so we can see here it has been accepted and the runtime is 1 millisecond. Cool. It means we have achieved to solve this problem. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.